This is Nune and the Greater Boston Real Estate Show. And I'm talking today with Shant Banosian of Guaranteed Rate, who has been #1 for 4 years running nationwide. Congratulations, that's amazing. And he's helping me explain what are the first steps in buying a house. Nune's Greater Boston Real Estate Show. I have 4 steps for you. The first one is, I think it's the most important to start with that, is talk to an agent, because they can direct you to a great lender who can give you the pre-approval, which is our step 2. So Shant, what are the steps, like in a general way, how people would get a pre-approval?
Yeah, absolutely. So when you're going to get pre-approved, as a lender, the 3 things that we're going to ask you about are your credit, your income, and your assets. Those are the 3 qualifying factors that almost every single bank and lender will utilize. We're going to analyze all that information, and we're going to ask you detailed questions about all of those things. The last 2 years of your income. We're going to review your assets in terms of your checking, savings, retirement accounts, whether you're going to be receiving gift money, and then we're going to pull a credit report. Once we collect all that information, we'll identify the loan products that you're eligible for, and then we're going to clearly communicate to you what your max pre-approval is, what your comfort zone is. Make sure you're budgeting correctly for your payments and what goes into those payments outside of the mortgage, including things like home insurance and taxes, whether you'd have to pay private mortgage insurance or if you have to budget for a condo fee. We also want you to budget for your down payment. There's a lot of misconceptions around down payment. There's a lot of options around down payment. First-time homebuyers can put down as little as 3% or 5% down, and then obviously you can put down as much as you'd like. And we also want you to budget properly for closing costs. When you buy a home, there's more than just your down payment that you have to budget for. You have to factor in attorney fees, property tax bills and insurance bills and appraisals and home inspections.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Yeah, and we just want to make sure that you're accounting for all those things and you're ready so that there's no surprises when you get to closing.
So there might be some people that don't know that they can actually afford a house, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Do you get a lot of people like that?
Every single day. We have somebody that comes to our office or we have a phone conversation. They're pleasantly surprised by what they qualify for and actually how much a house they can get and what they can afford, especially comparing it to a lot of times paying expensive rents. It's a much better solution for them. Great.
And so number 3 is figuring out what is important for you. Are the schools important? What kind of house do you like? What kind of neighborhood? What is a must and what is you can live without? And there's a checklist that I can send you if you send your email address, and the links are below how to contact me. And I'll send you a checklist where you can write the answers, and it will become very clear for you what are the things that will make it worth for you to buy a house. And another point, number 4, is go to open houses, as many open houses as you can. That way you can get used to the market, understand the prices, understand what you can buy for those prices, and maybe you will shift in your thinking, and maybe you need to look into other towns, or a lot of things will happen once you are going to open houses and getting familiar with the market. So this is Nune and the Greater Boston Real Estate Show. I hope you like and subscribe and make comments, and I will see you next time. Thank you, Shant.
Thank you. Great advice.
That was fun. Nune's Greater Boston Real Estate Show.
See how it comes out. If it doesn't come out good, we'll just do it again. That's the cool part. Take 1, take 2.
Third time is the charm.
Yeah, let's do it. You know what? It's all batteries all set.
I changed the batteries.
Okay.
Come a little this way.
Yep.